What do we learn today? Today we are going to learn subject English, chapter 1, Toy Train to Ooty, and the lesson objectives are to learn about the importance of preserving our heritage, to listen to text and learn meanings of new words, and to recall facts from the text and express comprehension. So these are the things which we are going to learn today. So let's begin. There is a picture here. Just look at the picture there. What is there in the picture? Yes, it is a train. Have you ever traveled in train? Where did you travel? You might have gone to your grandmother's house, your uncle's house, somewhere you might have traveled. But this train is a special train which you should know about it. This is a toy train which Britishers started to Ooty to travel to steep hills, and it ran first time between Mettupalayam and Kunnur during 1889. So this was taken during 1889. So this is a toy train which has been running from then since. After some days, this train has been extended its rail to Ooty also. So still we are able to see the toy train. Let's learn more about this toy train. Why we are learning about a train today? Let's heritage. What do you mean by a word called as heritage? So it is something that is handed down from the past, looked after in the present to the future. Means in our olden days there is something and which has been used by us still in the present to the future also. So for example, an epic poem, monuments, family valuables, etc. If you see in Hyderabad, Golconda, it's a sign of heritage, it's a monument. Charminar, it's a sign of it's a monument, right? So we have so many things where they are telling us the heritage of it. Toy train was declared a heritage train in 2005 by UNESCO, and so it is preserved carefully. So this toy train was taken by in 2005. It has been declared as a heritage train, and today we are going to learn more about that. So let's travel in toy train to Ooty today. So just open your books and then open page number 1, chapter 1. So I'll be reading out the text and I just want you to listen to it and then follow the things, follow the words as well. Toy train to Ooty. Let's begin. Imagine you are in a slow moving train, munching snacks, sitting by the window, and enjoying the beautiful tunnels, bridges, and scenery. Wouldn't it be a great experience? A ride in the toy train to Ooty gives you such an experience. This train service was first started between Kunnur and Mettupalayam during 1899. The line was extended up to Ooty during 1908. 1908. Read on to find out all about the toy train that journeys through the scenic Nilgiri mountains. You know, Ooty, it's a wonderful place where you can see a nature, the green fields, the greenery everywhere. And we'll be having a steep hills where the train travels from the steep hills, and it is really a wonderful scenic situation there. So let's read more and understand how this toy train travels and who has made it and what all do we get in between on the way. Reading and comprehension, let's read. The toy train is the main attraction of the popular hill station Ooty. Full name Udhagamandalam in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Attraction. It means something that makes people want to go to a place. Means we like it a lot and we want to go to that place every time. So it is known as Nilgiri Mountain Railway toy train and is the steepest rail system in Asia. The whole Asia, it is the steepest rail, means the slope rising or falling at a very sharp angle, means it's steep. It is the most steepest rail system, means the more slanting way it will be. It is the only heritage train in South India. The Southern Railways takes extra care to keep the toy train looking almost exactly the way it looked when it started in 1899. They also maintain these special tracks every day, which helps the train to climb up and steep slopes. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway toy train covers a distance of 46 kilometers in 5 hours and goes through 16 tunnels, 250 bridges, and 208 curves. It runs once every day from Mettupalayam to Ooty at 7 a.m. in the morning and starts its return journey from Ooty at 2 p.m. Kunnur, Wellington, and Loudale stations are some of the important stations in between. The toy train looks marvelous with a steam engine and 5 wooden bogies in shades of blue and cream. While going uphill, the engine is at the back pushing the rest of the train. So there is something where an engine is at the back of the train and it will be pushing the rest of the train. While coming downhill, the engine is in front to stop the train from running off. The train is one of the very few trains in the world which uses steam engine. The steam engine stops after every 1 hour of journey to take water in small stations during its journey of 19 kilometers up to Kunnur. The passengers take this opportunity to jump out and take photo of the train and the surrounding hills at Kunnur and the surrounding hills. At Kunnur, the steam engine is exchanged for a diesel engine for onward journey. The toy train runs at a slow speed of 30 kilometers per hour on plains and moves at a speed of about 10 to 15 kilometers per hour on slopes. It is the best way to discover the beauty of the Nilgiri mountains, which look misty blue in color as if they are covered in a blue veil. It journeys through steep hills, deep ravines. What are these ravines, children? A deep and narrow valley with steep sides. So you will be able to find those uh, um, deep and narrow valleys, green forests, and sweet scented tea gardens. People wait for the tunnels eagerly. They have fun by laughing and screaming aloud as soon as the train enters the darkness of the tunnel. There are many stops for refreshment where passengers can get out and enjoy the views and the wildlife. People are very happy to choose from the variety of very hot cups of teas available. Sometimes the train stops for other reasons, like a fallen tree on tracks or an elephant blocking the way. Passengers can lean out of the windows to pick wildflowers on those stops. Throughout the journey, they click pictures of the beautiful scenery. The toy train to Ooty has been part of many films and documentaries. A famous song from the movie Dil Se, which was pictured on well-known actor Shah Rukh Khan, was filmed on this train. About 5 lakh people travel every year in this train. Many people that say that it seems like not much has changed on this route over the past 100 years, and the scenery is as lovely and exciting as ever. A ride in the toy train to Uti is the best way to discover the timeless beauty of this area. So, this is something which is about the toy train. So, children, now there is a task for you. Open your course book. I will be giving you 5 minutes of time. What you have to do is read each paragraph and then try to frame one question from each paragraph. Right? So I'll be giving you some time where you have to finish off this task and then you have to come back with the task. Yes, and your time starts now. Right. All questions we can make. Let's make questions from the paragraph read. What is the unique feature of toy train? What is the unique feature of toy train? Right. So it is the only heritage train in South India. And it is the steepest rail system in Asia. So it is the steepest rail system in Asia. And then next answer is also it is the only heritage train which has been where UNESCO has given that statement to us. Right? Right. When was the first toy train started? Yes, the train service was first started between Kunnur to Mettupalayam during 1899. Very good. How many bridges and tunnels does the toy train go through? The toy train go through 16 tunnels, 250 bridges, and 208 curves. Wow. What are the first and last stations of the toy train? Yes, first, what is the first station? First station is Kunnur and the last station is Ooty. Yes. So at which station the steam engine is exchanged for a diesel engine? At Kunnur. At Kunnur, the steam engine is exchanged for a diesel engine. Why do passengers wait for the tunnels? Yes, the passengers wait for the tunnels to scream, to have fun, and to laugh loudly. Which famous song was filmed on this train? Yes, Dil Se. And who is an actor for this? Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Right. So these are some of the questions which you have framed. So children, read the passage one more time. You will be able to get some more questions and you will be able to find some more answers about that one. Right. So children, so we have an exercise which is there. So before going on to an exercise, there is something, some of the meanings which are there in your course book by the side of the paragraph. So one word is attraction, steepest, heritage, marvelous, journey, opportunity, whale, raven, refreshment, available, documentaries, timeless. So there are some words where you have to pronounce and then you have to understand the meanings of the things. So these meanings we will be learning more clearly when we go on for the next lesson plans. So now we will be practicing some spellings. Practice spelling these words. First word is popular, tunnel, bridge, kilometers, engine, bogies, station, diesel, onward, passenger. So there are some words which are there which we will be doing on, and there are some of the meanings. So now what you have to do is go to let's try one exercise where there is tick the correct answer. So just read out the question, and then you can find out the answer there. So I'm reading out the first question. The toy train to Ooty covers a distance of how many kilometers? 46 kilometers. The toy train to Ooty journeys through how many tunnels, how many bridges, and how many curves? 16 tunnels, 250 bridges, and 208 curves. Right, very good. While going uphill, the engine is at the back of the train. Till Kunnur, the toy train is pulled by steam engine. Very good. So now we have some questions which you have to write it in your notebook. Just understand how the answer can be given. The answers will be given in a clear framework in your notebook, which you can copy it and then you can learn the answer better. How does the Southern Railways take care of the heritage train? As it was earlier, the same way they will be taking care of the heritage train. Why is the engine placed at the back of the train while going uphill? To push the to pull the to push the train. Why did the passengers eagerly wait for the tunnels? This answer you know. Yes, to scream, to laugh, to enjoy. Right. Okay. So these answers, the answers for this practice book will be given to you, children. So you will be having a conclusion over here. So today we have come here to know about something about a toy train. We have come here to know about some the lesson of the toy train. As we go on further, we will be learning more about the words, their meanings, and making sentences also. So today there is a home assignment for you all children. What you have to do is please make a train using empty matchboxes or any waste material, which can be used for further lesson showcases. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, children, for your time.